In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete words from the dictionary in Microsoft Word. If Word keeps ignoring a misspelling or you accidentally added a word to its dictionary, this quick process will help you remove it so the spell checker catches it again. Start by opening Microsoft Word, then go to the File tab in the top left corner and choose Options. This opens the Word Options window, where you control how Word behaves. On the left side, click Proofing. Proofing is where Word's spelling and grammar settings live, including the custom dictionary that stores words you've told Word not to flag. Next, select Custom Dictionaries. This button opens a small window listing the dictionaries Word uses. Most people will see a file named Custom Dic, often marked as the default and sometimes associated with all languages or a specific language. If you see more than one dictionary, pick the one you typically use. The default custom dictionary is usually the right choice. With your dictionary highlighted, click Edit Word List. You'll see a simple box that shows every word you've added to that dictionary over time. This is where Word looks when it decides whether to underline something in red. The list is alphabetical, so it's easy to scan. Take a moment to carefully find the word you want to remove. If there are versions with different capitalization, choose the exact one you no longer want treated as correct. Once you've selected the word, click Delete. That removes it from the custom dictionary, which means Word will treat it like any other unrecognized word and flag it during spell check. Don't worry. If you change your mind later, you can always add it back the same way you originally did. When you're done, click OK to save your changes and close the open dialog boxes. Be sure to confirm each window so the update actually takes effect. From now on, when you type that word, you should see Word underline it as a potential misspelling, just as you'd expect. That's all there is to it. Go to File, Options, Proofing, open Custom Dictionaries. Select your custom dictionary and choose Edit Word List. Remove the word with Delete and click OK to save. This is a small adjustment that can make a big difference in catching errors, especially for brand names, technical terms, or typos you added by mistake. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your documents clean